Ill Music Entertainment. Let me hear you living now. Let me hear you say it now. We'll be dancing in the street to the beat now. With our dreams to the beat. We'll be dancing in the street to the beat now. With our dreams to the beat. We'll be dancing in the street to the beat now. With our dreams to the beat. We'll be dancing in the street to the beat now. With our dreams to the beat.
Hi George, Kara Batte with Gossip Meets Couture.
Gossip Meets Couture.
So Couture, since you're in fashion, I thought this is perfect. Who are some of the best dressed celebrities in your opinion?
Oh, right now, I love Emma Stone. And what should we just talk about the Globes and who killed it there?
Yeah.
Let's talk about that. So Emma killed it in Lanvin.
Okay, awesome.
Charlize Theron was amazing in Dior. I mean, that was like just cool and edgy and sexy and over the top, but totally approaching. You know, like she kind of pleased the fashion crowd and the gossip tabloid crowd. So that's kind of what you want to do.
Absolutely. And then is there somebody that you think you would like to touch up and kind of style better?
Oh, God, who did not look very good? Well, there were a couple of girls that didn't look real good.
You don't have to say the names, but at least you can. Yes,
Yeah,
there
there's
are
always
some
a
that
few.
you'd like
Just
to
I think
touch
anyone who doesn't dress their age, and or where anyone who's sporting lower butt cleavage, that's
Ew.
the thing.
Yeah, okay, no butt cleavage, America. No butt cleavage.
LBC, lower butt cleavage.
Okay, I like it. Thank you so much.
Horrible.
No butt. Thanks, George. Hi, Abigail. How are you? Kira, nice to meet you. Kira, nice to meet you. So what are some of the projects coming up for 2012 for you?
Well, I've got a movie coming out called This Means War. It comes out on Valentine's Day with Reese Witherspoon and Tom Hardy and Chris Pine and McGee directed it, and it's so much fun. It's like
So men take your girlfriends there.
yeah, Valentine's Day. It's really fun. It's action, romance comedy. Girls and guys will love it. And I play the other woman and Tom Hardy's wife, to Reese Witherspoon.
Ooh, what was your favorite thing to do on set, or do you have any set moments on set that you really like?
Well, I think probably when Reese Witherspoon asked me if my character on Mad Men was coming back, I'm like, you even know that I was on that show? Okay, yeah.
You'll see. Yeah, we came to be seen. Cold